How to add dropshipping products to Wix website. So right here, I'm inside the Wix website editor, and if we use the search tool and search for dropshipping, you will see a bunch of applications which give you dropshipping capabilities. I'm going to use Modellist for this tutorial, but basically you want to click on Modellist right here and you want to install it if you don't have it already. Just going to close out of this because it's super loud, but it's going to look like this. Add Modellist, and we will have to click on Connect Store here, and it's going to connect us to our Shopify or Wix store. So as you can see right here, we have the option to find products on AliExpress and Alibaba, so you can do whichever one you want, or you can import your list here. So we can do find ready to sell products or find print on demand products. So I'm going to do find ready to sell products, and here you can choose whatever you would like to promote onto your website. So for example, Versace Eros here, the perfume. So if we click on here, then we can add this to the import list, and we can view it in the import list here. And once we have it added, then we can add it to our store as well. So it will tell us that this product is now available on your store. Go to synchronized products. So right here, if I go to sync list, then you will see that now I have this added to my store. So this basically means that now I can view it in my product list on Wix itself, and basically I have successfully used Modellist to promote dropshipping products and import them into my Wix website store. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.